Hi, in this lesson you will learn the difference between two very commonly confused words, and they are say and tell. Now these words are confused because the meaning is almost same. The meaning is basically to give information, but the grammar of how we use these words is very different. So let's understand what the difference is. So when we use the word say, we should follow it with say something. When we use the word tell, we should follow it with tell someone something. So if we really compare these two, we say something to someone or tell someone something. Let's look at some examples and I think you will understand right way. So let's take this sentence. Maria said she was leaving. Maria said something. Something is she was leaving. Maria told me she was leaving. So we have Maria told someone. That is me. Something she was leaving. So let's look at another example. Professor Brown said the test was cancelled. Professor Brown said something. The test was cancelled. But Professor Brown told us the test was cancelled. No, told someone us something the test was cancelled. Next, let's look at another example. The manager said to arrive at 8 o'clock. Said something, but the manager told them to arrive at 8 o'clock. Told someone something. That's the main difference. Now, these are some examples. In the next stage, I am going to show you how you can use these words when you are actually quoting that someone said. Okay, so now let's look at what happens when we are including a direct quotation of what Sam said in our sentence. So let's first one. He said, I love you, but he told me he loved me. So we have the same principle. Say plus something or tell someone something, okay? Let's take another example. The teacher said no cheating. The teacher told them not to cheat. Same principle, say plus something. Tell someone something, okay? So now let's just do one last quiz to make sure that you have really got it. Let's do that. So now let's check these three sentences. Now some of these are right and some of these are wrong. You can help me decide which one are which. Alright, and remember the rules that we learned. Say something or tell someone something. Number 1. Maria thought the flight was delayed. Is that right or wrong? If you need to pause the video, you can do that. So this one is actually wrong. Why? Because you can tell someone something and here. We have Maria told and then we don't have someone. So you can correct the sentence in two ways. Maria told us the flight was delayed, or Maria said the flight was delayed, alright? Number 2. John said the hotel was full. Is that right or wrong? Well, that one is correct. Because John said something, said the hotel was full. Number 3. Linda said get well soon. Right or wrong? Linda said something, so this one is also correct. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.